Beautiful traders, what is going on? It's your boy Adri back with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna go over two trades that I took on GJ this past week. One of which is a losing trade that brought me into some serious drawdown on my demo funded account. And the second trade is one that, skyrocketed me to actually pass my demo challenge account. But before I dive into this video, do me a favor and smash the like button. Show the like button that you love the like button. Let the like button know that you like the like button. You love the like button. And of course, subscribe. Only if you want to, of course. All right, cool. So without any further ado, let's jump into this thing. All right, cool. So here we are. All right, cool. So here we are on GBP JPY. Okay. First off, let me show you my challenge account that I had for myself here. So the last video that I did, I think I was hovering at 5%. I had shown you in that video. It's linked right here. Anyways, I made a stupid move where one of the trades I took, I just kept moving my stop loss, and it took me down, basically back down to the starting point, right? But the winning trade that I took skyrocketed me to 10.39%, which is 2.39% more than the 8% goal that I was aiming for, which was phenomenal, right? And as you can see, in the drawdown on the 21st was almost a 5% daily drawdown max that most typical prop firms have, right? So I closed out. I was able to save the day, so on and so forth. But all in all, I passed that challenge that I had for myself. So here are the two trades that got me into the hole, if you will, and out the hole at the same time, right? So I'll break it down for you. So last week, price was finished off here, and I had stated that I wasn't sure what was price going to do next because I needed more data. In any case, fast forward to the 21st, right? 21st was Thursday, right? So end of the week. So actually, let me show you this first. So fast forward to the 21st. I had actually marked up and I put it into my chat, my free Telegram group. I put it right here. I said, if price breaks the trend line and retests, sell all day, right? So this trend line, if price breaks it and retests, get in for a sell all day. I sometimes drop my charts in my free Telegram. So if you're interested in that, link is down in the description. So check that out. So that's what I had there, okay? Now let's get back to the charts right here. So let's move down to the 15-minute time frame because that's where I kind of messed myself up. All right. So here's that break of the trend line, it pushed down and came back and it retested, right? So I took an entry right here, okay? And then price was coming on down. I had gotten up at around 7:15, 7:30, and I saw price going down. I was like, all right, great. I'm in. This is gonna move, right? And price retraced, made this bearish engulf, and I'm like, great, let's run, because I didn't move my stop into break even or take any profits. It was like there's no point, you know what I mean? What price kept doing though, however, after this bearish engulfing, price just kept shooting up. And I'm like, you're kidding me. So what did I do? I kept moving my stop loss. Like a rookie, I kept moving my stop loss till I finally said, you know what, this is not beneficial for me. And I closed out the trade, right? I closed out the trade. What I failed to realize was price was respecting this minor level right in here, right? See how it just came in each time, price came into this level, it shot up right here, and right here, right? But so that was that losing trade that brought me down 4%, right? Let's go back up to the 1 hour time frame. Here is that, is this the bars pattern? Right, here's that bars pattern that I had. And like I said, if price broke, retested, sell all day, right? And I actually use my fibs to have the exit of the trade, right? So played it out. Price broke, retested right up top here. It retested this trend line. It bounced off of this trend line and retested this resistance zone right in here, right? Confluence all day to take the sell. So I entered at the very top right here and I rode it all the way down for 255 pips. This trade got me back up to where I needed to go. It got me a 10.39% gain, right? Which was huge, huge. Got me 10.39% gain, which was huge, right? So that was that trade that had me winning. When I saw that play out, I was like, I bet, got it. You know what I'm saying? It felt good, right? Because that losing trade just really kind of rocked me a little bit. But one key thing, you know, all traders, myself included, have to develop, and I'm still, you know, developing it, is keeping your mind right when you're in a losing trade, right? I obviously made the mistake in moving my stop loss. I should not have done that, right? I should just left my stop loss where it was and just let the trade play out, win or lose, right? But having the right mindset to stay focused and stay in the trade and still wait for your setup to play out and take that trade and let that trade run. You have to have that right mindset, and that comes with time. It comes with experience. It comes with losing trades. It comes with winning trades. It comes with good days, bad days, the whole nine, right? But that's what it is. Excuse me. Let me take a little sip of water. You know what I'm saying? My throat is a little parched. All right. So those are the two trades that had me winning, right? Cool. So let me just close this off for a second. So here's what I see coming into this week at the start of the week, right? Let me just move up to, let me start on the weekly actually, right? Let me just hide this for a second. Let me start on the weekly, okay? So let's forecast into this week going in now, right? So we're still in that strong bullish push, okay? Last week ended on a doji, right? You can see there was, you know, at the beginning of the week, there was a nice bullish pressure, but at the end, you know, the sellers came in and said, yo, not this week, right? So price ended on a doji candle last week. And here's how it looked at on the last 5 days of the week, right? Strong bearish candle on Friday, right? Potentially coming back down to retest this zone right in here, right? But let's dive down a little lower to the next time frame on the 4 hour, right? I don't need this. Let me get rid of that. So this level right in here, this 4 hour level, price could potentially, you know, hold firm right here, right? Price could potentially hold firm right here, or what price could do is, you know, just continue to drop down right in here, hold this area as support, and then potentially shoot up. Or it may break, retest, and then shoot down. We just have to wait to see what happens. But let me go down to a lower time frame to get a better picture, right? Now, what I see and what I have marked up already is this right here, okay? We have divergence right in here. Again, divergence is simply what price and the relative strength indicator. It's what they do opposite of each other, right? So price is shooting down, the RSI is shooting up. That's divergence. Price is diverting, okay, going in opposite direction, right? So the first move of the week, what I'll be looking for, if price maintains this level, price may actually come down a bit more, touch this trend line, and then shoot up, or it may just actually shoot down. But I'm looking for something like this, where price would finish diverging right? And then actually shoot up into this area right in here to retest, because this area, it was broken. You need a retest now to confirm for price for the sell down, or it might just push up and then continue to push higher, right? So that's the first piece of move that I'll be looking for this week coming up. Okay. Now, quick little announcement. Since I passed the funded demo challenge that I had set up for myself, I went ahead and I got registered with MY Forex Funds. All right. As you can see right here, I actually went ahead and I registered for a $100,000 funded challenge. And you know, like I did earlier with my own challenge, I'm going to keep you guys updated as to, you know, how I'm doing with it. The targets with my Forex fund is at 8%. So my profit target is 8 grand, and it's 5% daily drawdown. Let me actually go to the program area here and pull that up on the screen. Here it is. So cool. So on the $100,000 account, phase 1 is 8%. Phase 2 is 5%. Right? Minimum trading days is 5 days. Let me go back. I believe phase 1 is 30 days and phase 2 is 60 days total, right? Daily drawdown is 5 grand. Okay. Overall drawdown is 12 grand or 12%, right? And the leverage is 1 to 100, which is what I practiced on previously, right? So same parameters. That's what I had for myself on my little, you know, demo challenge there, right? So, you know, I am definitely going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to show you how I'm doing, win or lose, you know what I mean? I'm definitely putting pressure on myself to kind of put, you know, to kind of put it out there, right? But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm hoping that this can inspire you guys to, you know, elevate your game, you know, in terms of trading. You know, hopefully you can pick up one or two nuggets from my videos, and you can apply it to your own trading journey, to your own trading strategy. I hope it helps, you know what I'm saying? But yo, it is what it is, right? Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. If you've liked this video thus far, hit the like button, subscribe only if you want to. And as I always say, speak truth and speak life. Your boy is out. Yeah.